Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces. For your daily energies Pisces, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, again I'll be picking few more cards guys. So these are for your general energies that may relate to your career situation or your relationship. So these are just general energies guys. So the reading, it may resonate or not. That depends upon your situation guys, so take it as it resonates. I hope it resonates. Please like and comment if it does guys. So these are for your relationship Pisces, these cards, and I will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading. So let's start with your general energies. What are these cards here? Justice, King of Swords in reverse, Page of Wands, Three of Cups, and Death. So these cards are for your general energies guys. So in your situation Pisces, whatever your situation is, whatever troubles that you are facing today, whatever stress or whatever worries you have in your situation, you are trying to find that balance, taking responsibility, and you are fully aware of your circumstance, seeing the pros and cons and making those important decisions, and you're making lots of adjustments, sacrifice to find that balance in your situation today guys. And you have made the right choices today guys, because I also see that you are celebrating something, maybe the path that you have chosen for yourself. You are happy that you have made that right choice, so some kind of happiness because of that. And the troubles in your situation, maybe the people in your life, maybe someone, they have some kind of uh, bad intentions on you, so um, they may what to say, think of you as their rival, or they have this jealousy and they may be working against you. So you need to be really careful guys with this person. So they consider you as their rival and they may uh, be making some important moves to affect you. So you need to be really careful with this person. Uh, if you have an idea who it is, you have to uh, be really careful with them. So they may pose as your friend, uh, they may hide their true intentions, but you need to be aware of them guys, who it is. And I also see that the way you go about in your situation, maybe you have your own ideals and you have your own principles, so you honor those principles no matter what your situation is. So again, that may look like that may make you look like a very severe person who cannot be tolerated. So you have to go for that adjustments guys, and I see that you are making lot of adjustments today to find that balance. And I also see that certain changes, huge changes are coming in your life Pisces. You're closing the doors to the past and opening new doors, and huge opportunities are in your situation today. So Maybe whatever was not working, your circumstance or people, all of them are leaving you. And whatever is the best for you is what you have today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. So we'll be seeing what are these cards, guys. So the first card for your relationship, guys, we have these cards. It is Astronomer of Spheres, Seven of Stars, and Ten of Stars in reverse. So with these cards for your relationship, Pisces, so this may be what you feel. You are dealing with a Cancer, guys. I keep getting Cancer again and again in your reading, Pisces. So Pisces, with these cards, I see that in your situation, maybe you were having beautiful dreams about your life, about your relationship. So all those dreams are going to come into reality, guys. It may look like something impossible. Maybe you would have dreamt of a beautiful person, successful person, and yourself living in that, enjoying huge success in life and enjoying this happy life with them, traveling, and the beauty of this love, beauty of this connection, beauty of your life, whatever you have dreamt for. So all that is coming true, guys. And you are in a maybe you would have felt some stressful situations in this connection, love. Maybe some arguments were there, some misunderstandings were there. But today you are in a very in an advantageous position in this love. So things are improving in this love. You may be having a very good understanding with them, and you are confident. You have that confidence in your heart, in you and on that person, and you have trust, and you are a very truthful person, and they are also reciprocating that truthfulness. So they are also loyal, trustworthy, and both of you have this beautiful love blooming between you both in this love, Pisces. That is what I see, guys, with these cards for your daily reading, Pisces. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.